Lecture 11. ISACA IS Audit and Assurance Standards. Dear student, ISACA IS Audit and Assurance Standards define mandatory requirements for information system auditing and reporting. The standards define mandatory requirements for IS audit and assurance and reporting. The guidelines explain how to apply IS audit and assurance standards. The tools and techniques provide examples of processes an IS auditor might follow in an audit engagement. ISACA IS audit and assurance standards are divided into three categories. The general standard provides guiding principles under which the IS assurance profession operates. The performance standard deals with the conduct of the assignment, such as planning and supervision, scoping, risk and materiality, resource mobilization, supervision and assignment management, audit and assurance evidence, and the exercising of professional judgment and due care. The reporting standard addresses the types of reports, means of communication, and the information communicated. ISACA IS Audit and Assurance Guidelines. ISACA IS Audit and Assurance Guidelines explain how to comply with ISACA IS Audit and Assurance Standards. The IS auditor considers the guidelines in determining how to implement ISACA Audit and Assurance Standards. The auditor uses professional judgment in applying the guidelines to specific audits. The auditor also justifies any departure from the ISACA Audit and Assurance Standards. ISACA Code of Professional Ethics. ISACA members and certification holders shall maintain the following Code of Professional Ethics. Support the implementation of and encourage compliance with appropriate standards and procedures for the effective governance and management of enterprise information systems and technology, including audit, control, security, and risk management. Perform their duties with objectivity, due diligence, and professional care following professional standards. Serve in the interest of stakeholders in a lawful manner while maintaining high standards of conduct and character, and not discrediting their profession or association. Maintain the privacy and confidentiality of information obtained during their activities unless disclosure is required by a legal authority. Such information shall not be used for personal benefit or released to inappropriate parties. Maintain competency in their fields and agree to undertake only those activities they can reasonably expect to complete with the necessary skills, knowledge, and competence. Inform appropriate parties of the results of work performed, including the disclosure of all significant facts that, if not disclosed, may distort the reporting of the results. Support the professional education of stakeholders in enhancing their understanding of the governance and management of enterprise information systems and technology, including audit, control, security, and risk management. ITAF, Information Technology Assurance Framework. ITAF is a comprehensive and useful practice-setting reference model that addresses IS auditors' roles and responsibilities, knowledge and skills, and diligence, conduct, and reporting requirements. It defines terms and concepts specific to IS assurance. It provides guidance, tools, and techniques on the planning, design, conduct, and reporting of IS audit and assurance assignments. Remember that professional standards from ISACA, the Institute of Internal Auditors, and the International Federation of Accountants require the supervision of audit staff to accomplish audit objectives and comply with competence, professional proficiency, and documentation requirements. Audit guidelines exist to provide information on how best to achieve compliance with professional standards.